To Tech Brothers with Amit. Today we are going to answer this question. Is it possible to run the SSIS package from Excel by using Excel macros? So that's absolutely possible and we can do it. So what we have to do in the Excel, we can write macros and we can have a button, and I have written a post that shows how to do it. So you have a button, then you click on the button and do some coding. So dim command is equal to string and command is equal to dt exact, and you pass the switch and then you pass the package path. So if you have variable used and data connection managers and you need to pass the values, you might don't want to write by yourself all those variable values and data connection managers. So you can double click on your package and it will initiate dt exact UI, and you pass all those connection managers and variable values whatnot, and then at the end it will create or have a command. So you can copy that dt exact statement and put here, and that's how you can use it. You can also create the same statement by using SQL Server agent job. You can provide the path of your package, and then what you have data connection managers. You can have pass the values of the variable in that job, and then go to the command, and when you click on the command you will see a dt exact with the package path and other variable information and connection manager. So you can copy the same one and paste it here, and then you at the end you say call shell command comma 0. That we are not passing any parameters here, so just call that command and that's how it's going to initiate it. Once you click the button, it's going to initiate dt exact, and that will call the package, and that's how your package will run from the Excel macros. I'm not really sure if this is a lot of people are using it, but there could be scenarios where your business users they need to run it and they are not expert on passing the connection manager values and variable values, and you can use the Excel macros, and that's how they can open Excel and just click the button to run the package that will load their some files from their local directories to maybe the SQL Server staging tables or other sources, destinations. Thanks very much for watching this video, and I will see you in next video.